Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a frame to your drawing on the ibisPaint X application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should go to your gallery and select a painting from your gallery, or you can also create a new one by clicking on this plus icon down below in the left side corner, and then select a canvas that you would like to work with. Now if you want to add a frame, you should click on this brush icon down below, which is the second option, and then select the frame divider option down below. Now you should click on the add frame button, and you should select all these information concerning your frame, such as the horizontal space, so you should use this scale, the vertical space as well, and the frame thickness as well. So you need to select all these information as well as the border color. You can also play with the shades of the color and create a color of your preferences. So if you are done with all these information and you would like to insert and save the changes, click on the green check mark icon. So as you can see, you have inserted your customized frame into your canvas. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.